there, children. So today I come to you with an unboxing. I am super excited to open this. I had been looking at this for a while, and just yesterday John Michael bought it for me. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. I was on my moon cycle, still am. First day of my moon cycle is just not fun. And he came home from a thing he was doing in the evening after after work, which unfortunately I was not able to go to, and he goes, I have a surprise for you. So he brings me into our bedroom, and this is on the bed, and I was like, oh my god, yeah. So this is the Illuminated Tarot, and I had never seen this before. I had heard about it, but I had no idea what it was or anything, and there was an open set of it at the bookstore we went to the other day, like a month and a half ago, and I was like, oh, this is really beautiful. Now this only has 53 cards, and it looks like it kind of has like a different system, but when I was looking through the book I could kind of tell which cards are which, so I'm really excited to delve into this and like really read intuitively. I think that's gonna be really, really fun, and the art is super awesome. Like I didn't even really, like I said, know this deck existed, so I'm really excited to really delve into it. I didn't really look at every single card, so I thought I'd do this unboxing and kind of show you guys, because I don't think it's I don't think it's as common of a deck than a lot of other decks. I mean, obviously it's in a bookstore, so it's not like uncommon, but yeah, so I wanted to show you this and see what you guys thought. So yeah, there's the 53 cards for divination and gameplay, and this by Caitlin Keegan, and the box is really nice. This was $17.99 in the US, so obviously it'd be a bit more in Canada and Australia. Printed in China. Who are the publishers? Clarkson Potter Publishers. An imprint of Penguin. I'm not sure what that means. Anyway, so let's open it up. So I moved spots because the sun is coming right through behind the window, and it's like shining right directly into the camera, so you were not going to be able to see anything. What's the point of an unboxing if you can't see anything? Okay, so the Illuminated Tarot. So this is what the back looks like, and the front has this kind of like gold leaf kind of look to it. So I did not bring a sharp tool with me, so we're going to try to see if I can open. Do magic, but not that kind of magic. Okay. I really hate using my teeth, because ew, you never know where this has been. Okay, so the box is matte. It's a really lovely box. So this is it's a really like soft paper. The back has like a sticker on it, but the box itself is almost like, if you can imagine if like corduroy was like paper. So anyway, so it opens up like this. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Alright, and it looks like it has the suits in here. And so on top there's this book. And it's looks like this. It's just, okay, and it has, the pages are not numbered, but it has, this is how they're gonna do the meanings. And it looks like it's in a really weird order. So we're just going to have a look-see. I don't want to look at all the cards right away. Reading the cards, layout, the origins of tarot. Okay, so let's have a look-see. Alright, so what I'm noticing first is there was no like plastic on this, which I actually think is really great because it's better for the environment. This is the back. It looks like it has the different suits in there, so it does still look like it's wands, cups, swords, and then it looks like it's like maybe stones or something like that. So we'll see what that looks like. So it looks like the clubs are the wands. So it's first card. Yeah. And it's also fire. So let's see if I can The cardstock is pretty good. It's more of like a cardboard than like a normal cardstock, but it's pretty good. 2 of clubs. 3 of clubs. All right, so the suits look like they're pretty similar. I mean, you can see like here's like 4 of wands. It's clearly the 4 of wands. Like that makes sense. Interesting. I love this art. Oh my god. I hope you guys can see these. 6 of wands. Oh, interesting. This looks like the tower. Drastic shift in perspective. So the 6 of clubs is the, oh, okay. We're going back. These are not, okay, see? This is very confusing. Okay, so the ace of clubs is strength, overcoming desire, okay. The 2 of clubs is a passionate conversation or debate. 3 of clubs is success in business. Self-foundation and stability is the 4, okay. But let's see, the 5 of clubs is the devil. Very interesting. And then this is the tower. So it's really interesting. So they have like, but that, so it's like they go back and forth between like the majors and the minors, even in the suit. So this is vigilance, a struggle, to stay ahead, which is very like 7 of wands. Repetition. Interesting. I think we're looking at the sun here is the next card. Yeah, the sun, which is the 9, which I guess like, yeah, this is just going to be really interesting. And then responsibility and burden, which is the 10. So that's really interesting how they've done that. All right. So it goes Jack, Queen, King. So they only have 3 courts, just like, ooh, kitties. All right, so that's, okay, and then we have the World, which is the Ace of Diamonds. So it's really interesting. It looks like the, oh wow, look at the High Priestess. It looks like the majors and the minors are mixed in. So that will be really interesting to do. All right, 3 of Diamonds is a craftsman. So maybe this is like, that is our cat. She is in heat. We thought she was pregnant. She's just fat. And now she's in heat again. Lovely. So it looks like the diamonds are pentacles. Yeah. All right, so this is hesitation to help others. So this would be like the 4 of coins. All right, but the 5 of diamonds is the Hierophant. 6 of diamonds is charity. So yeah, so it looks like charity is the, or sorry, the diamonds are pentacles. And then we've got the star, which actually looks a lot like the sun. All right, so I don't know how we're doing on lighting here. It's kind of complicated. All right, so you've got the 8 of diamonds. All right, you guys, the light is getting far too wonky to be able to be sure you guys can see the cards. So anyway, so I'm just going to go through the rest of the cards, but you get the idea. Like, this is definitely not the normal Rider-Waite system. So, let's see. So this is the Jack, the Queen. Look at this art though. I mean, wow. This is pretty amazing. It looks like there's some real like sacred meaning behind these cards. You see that? It's hard to see. He's got a purple face. Alright, so obviously hearts is cups. Beautiful. Ooh, I wonder if two of cups is temperance. Yep, it is temperance. So I wonder what the lover's cards is. Oh, the lover's card is the 6 of hearts. Okay. Very interesting. Let's see if I can... And it's got this really interesting texture to it, if you can kind of... I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of ribbed a little bit. Alright. This looks like the friendship card. Five of Cups. So I don't even think it's like super specific on like which numbers are the majors versus not. This is the Lover's card. Ooh. I have not eaten breakfast today yet. 7 of Cups. I wonder if this is the Moon. Nine of Cups. And I think the 10 is the Wheel. I'm just the Wheel of Fortune. I'm going to go out on a limb. I just love these cards. I'm so excited for this to be in my collection. This is just beautiful. All right, an Ace of Swords. That's actually a really beautiful Ace of Swords. Wow. Looks like the 2 is the Hanged Man. But also decision making. That's interesting. Yeah, it is the Hanged Man. But if you think about the 2 of Swords, it's also about making decisions, and they're usually blindfolded. So that's kind of an interesting. I think they might have kind of combined those 3 of Swords. This is the Death card. I just saw that. That is beautiful. Look at that. This looks like it's more of like the Miner's meaning. Same with this one. This is probably the Chariot, I'm assuming. 8. This looks like it's Justice. This looks like the traditional 9 of Swords. Oh, I wonder what the 10 is. Wake up call, announcement. So this is the Judgment card. So they don't have a 10 of Swords, they have the Judgment card. That's interesting. And I believe it starts with the Fool. And this is the Fool card. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. I'm really super looking forward to working with this deck. Even though it's not like a traditional Rider-Waite, I still think I'm going to use it, and I think it's going to have some very interesting readings. This didn't actually have a sticker on the back, which I think is interesting. It was a little thing. So this is actually what the back looks like. It's just plain. And then this is what the book looks like. So anyway, I think this is a really unique deck. I'm really excited to work with it. I think it's just absolutely unique. Oh, and look at that Lover's card. Ooh, no surprise. But yeah, I think this is going to be a really unique deck. I think it's going to have some really cool readings. I get this sense that this is a really wise deck. It's going to bring in some really interesting perspectives. So anyway, that's the Illuminated Tarot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please check out my other videos and subscribe and like this video. Also, if you want to check out my other social media, the links to that are in the description down below, along with my Etsy shop and my GoFundMe. Alright, so love you guys so much. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Many blessings. Namaste. And don't forget, it's all about the soul journey.